So, made some tea, and, you know, of course, just birds gonna tweet with me, do something. Anyhow, randomly decided to tear apart this LED little portable spotlight I picked up. I think this is the one with the, I don't know if that's the blue and the red flashers up top, but I picked this up, I think, from the Goodwill store for, I don't know, I wouldn't have got it if it wasn't for something like $2 or something. You know, it's definitely like, it's like $2.99, I forget. But it didn't come with a charger, and I do not know exactly. I looked online. I don't see any. Figure I'll reverse engineer this a little bit, get some video. So there's the traces. It's two of the. Oh, I don't know. I don't really know my battery color codes. LGA. I forget what the codes are. Let's see the wiring. Wiring going to the battery. Good view of the board. Looks so great between the USB. There we go. Resistor. Transistor or something. Regulator. Don't know. One's up here. Capacitor. Let's see the light on that. Okay, so mainly I was wondering which DC1 and DC2. Why the separate? Guessing they're both charged. Or it's. Oh, probably best to trace a little more. Battery. So, center. Double-sided PCB. So, guessing a little bit, but it should be pretty straightforward. I'm guessing that since the battery's connected directly to the plug, I'm going to need to have a separate charge controller for the. I can't tell that pack. And first, glued. Yeah, I'm going to push it out. I'm going to guess it's 4.2 volts, and that's in parallel. I guess the wire must be running over right in the middle. Oh, it almost does look like in the. You can see with the light, almost looks like the wire might be running on the back actually. So I'm going to guess this is in parallel. This is getting neat. I do see online they say somewhere between 600 milliamps and 350 milliamps. And I'm guessing the charger, I should read a little more. I found on Amazon, it looks exactly like this. They show it in black and yellow, like Michigan Tech colors. This one's just black. So I'm going to go ahead and assume I'm going to have to make a 4.2 volt. I don't think I have one. Maybe I do. I have to look around. With the larger barrel connector, because I already checked that. The barrel connector is the larger, what was it, 2.5? One's the smaller one's a 2.1, and this one's a larger 2.5. So like with the SH72 soldering iron, other than that's a 12 volt, to 24 volt system. That's not going to work for charging. This is going to need a charger. So I've got a bunch of little charge controllers. Those little, what are those? TP4056s or 65s. I have to look, I forget. I don't use them ever. But I've got a bunch of those, and I've got some other charge controllers. So I think I'd actually just use one of those, I guess, to charge. Other than, I'm going to have to look and see phone chargers, what those batteries are on voltage. So that might work also. But a controller would be better. So something that just looks too direct. It doesn't look like it's going anywhere but from the connector. And these look like they're, I can't tell this line. Oh yeah, they're connected. Yeah, they're connected here, and then this goes over to this one. So yeah, they're in parallel. Okay, so that's the main question was, are these in parallel? Why two separate inputs? That just seems weird. That makes no sense. Like, I doubt you charge each battery separately. And looking at the battery with one pair of wires going over, you're not going to charge each battery separately. That's an interesting design. I don't comprehend that, but maybe you can output somehow. I'm wondering about the USB, if there's a way to charge. I'll have to look at the circuit a little more. So, all right, interesting. There's that simple conclusion that I just made. I think I'm correct. At least that's my hypothesis. Be safe, stay healthy, and until next time.